Hi guys, today is the 30th of January and let's do a quick US30 daily analysis. In fact, like just for the week and what how I think US30 is going to play out just because today is NFP week and I typically just don't trade NFP weeks. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So I am going to go top down. And let me just off all of this. It looks really messy now, doesn't it? Okay, let's off the pin bars as well. Okay, not really going to kind of redraw all the support resistance because price is really teetering around the areas where I've already drawn support resistance. Now, if you guys can see, I did draw like a wedge pattern where I do think price is now going to go bullish right to this zone here. Like I haven't entered anything. This is just a markup. Let's just delete this so that you don't get confused, right? And then I do really believe that in the next couple of days, price is going to come down to this zone here, and then break out whichever way, really. So this is for today. Like, let's just do a 4 hour for today. I truly do think price is going to go up to this zone here, okay? To this zone that's marked up. So I've got my order blocks set up. So if you guys want that, that is just going to, yeah, so there's Smart Money Concepts by Lux Algo. So you guys can just go to your indicators and then you can find order blocks. And I kind of just like this. The way trading order blocks is actually really cool, but you guys know my primary method of trading, which is pin bars. But order blocks, you just know that it just goes from zone to zone. So right now, I do really think that it is going to come up to the zone. So if I were to drop down to the 1 minute, this is going to be a really quick video, guys, just because I kind of already think that for NFP weeks, really, price gives us the long weeks and all of that. But I'm going to show you guys something which was really nice, which happened over Asian Open actually, which was really upsetting because I was awake, but I just didn't trade. It was this crossover here. Do you guys see this? So this is the 200 moving average. And last night it was about two something, I think. So there we go. 2:45 in the morning. We had two rejections here of the 200 moving average. So I was awake around this period where it was teetering around this region, and I was like, you know what, I'm not going to trade because it's Asian. Be disciplined and stick to your rules. But you know what? Honestly, if we had just gotten in here, look at the ride we could have gotten down. Like this is insane. And then if you kind of on the pin bar indicator. Look, you could have got multiple re-entries in as well. Look, so there was another re-entry right off the rejection of the 10, another re-entry of the zone here. So at every zone, look at it. So it came back, retested zone, rejection, down. Another zone, rejected, down. Like, do you see this? So this is another zone right here, which I do think price is going to come up now. Um, but yeah, so it is what it is really. So there was a multiple opportunities to get in. Um, missed this entire down move, but right now we are on an uptrend. So if we go to the 1 minute, literally this is an entry for you guys, to be honest. Like, look, this is a nice rejection off here. So personally, I am looking to long this. And but the only thing I have in my mind is that there's going to be a New York Open, so it might get a little tight. So we just have to be a bit careful on this. But yes, I do really. So I just think it's going to teeter here for a bit before it does the flying up to the where I do think price is going to go. So let me just mark this up now. I do really think price will. I'm just going to go to the hour. Price is going to go up here to the zone. To be honest, to this bit here. But it's going to do it all today. I got no idea. So that's 342 pips in all. That's my takeaway. I think at least to the bottom of the zone will be the short-term goal. But because I've drawn the wedge, so I do really think price could come here or even all the way up here. But maybe this could be the short term. Okay, so 200 pips. But yeah, that's really where I do think price will go for now. On a 5 minutes, we haven't broken structure, so it's still a sell on it. But on a 1 minute, we have, and on a 1 minute, it is above the 200 mark. So it is a nice rejection off as well, guys. So to be really honest, I do think it's a buy, and we just got to play around with it, and see where we go with it. So that's my analysis on US30 for today. I would basically just play it out and just keep your eyes on it just because New York Open you might get a long week and take everybody out on a liquidity. So just be very careful with your trade, as I always say. Be patient, wait for the right entry. But like I said, this is a nice rejection of entry to anyways for me. So just like I said, be very careful with your trades. All right, guys. So be patient. NFP week, trade safely. Keep your stop losses really, really tight. And yeah, especially during opens. But today I didn't see any rate folders in the news anyway. But I know for the rest of the week we are going to get a lot of folders. So just be very, very careful when you are trading. Okay. So good luck and see you guys in another video soon.